I've been here my whole life. I've been stupid for 41 years. Yeah. Yeah. If you want to get dumber than me, I gotta die first. Alright, so I've got a sticker for a Palisade roof. Sick.
I was changing the initials.
Actually, his hat, yeah, I mean,
Alright, God dog it. Here we go. Let's do this.
let's make him pay even if we don't want to.
Yeah. Bitches, 'cause I can't make money and I don't want to work.
That's for real, right? I know. Look, I know you were sick and everything, but I did find the irony was not lost on me that you were so angry about the whole. Well, at least complaining about the whole. We get that day off and then we don't get paid for it, and then you just get the whole week off. I was like, oh, okay,
That's cool. Okay. Fuck it, he said. You're not getting paid one day. I ain't going along.
you're like, if you can't have it your way, you just sabotage the whole thing. Burn it to the fucking ground. Actually, I don't care.
Fuck this shit.
Have a bad day at work.